Today I'm going to show you how to get the Discord Quest badge step by step using Discord Web. This is a quick and easy guide, and by the end you'll know exactly where to find the quest, how to accept it, how to complete the task, and how to claim the badge on your profile. If you enjoy simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord Web in your browser and log into the account where you want the badge to appear. Once you're inside Discord, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the DM or home icon. This will take you back to the main Discord interface if you're currently inside a server or another section. Now, take a look at the left sidebar. You should see the quest icon there. If you don't notice it right away, scan the sidebar carefully because Discord may place it alongside your other navigation icons. Once you find it, click Quests to open the available quest page. Inside the quest section, you'll see the available quest or promotion that offers the badge reward. Before doing anything else, read the quest details carefully so you understand what the task requires. Some quests may ask you to stream a specific game to a friend in a voice channel for a certain amount of time, so make sure you know exactly what's needed before you start. Next, click the option to accept the quest. This is an important step because the task usually won't count until you officially accept it. Once accepted, Discord will track your progress for that quest. If the quest requires you to stream a game, make sure you launch the correct game and join a voice channel with a friend, since that's often the condition Discord uses to verify completion. Now complete the task exactly as instructed. In this case, that means streaming the required game to a friend in a voice channel for the specified duration. Stay in the session until the timer or progress indicator confirms that you've met the requirement. If the progress does not update immediately, give it a little time and make sure all conditions are still active, like being in the correct voice channel and streaming the right content. Once the task is finished, go back to the quest menu. You should now see the reward ready to be claimed. Click Claim Reward to finalize the process. After that, the Discord Quest badge should be added to your profile, and you'll be able to show it off as part of your account achievements. If you don't see the badge right away, refresh Discord or check your profile again after a moment. Sometimes rewards can take a short time to update. Also, be sure you completed every part of the quest because missing even one requirement can prevent the badge from unlocking, and that's it. You've now learned how to get the Discord Quest badge on Discord Web by finding the quest, accepting it, completing the task, and claiming the reward. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.